Hey there, everyone! Today, we're diving into a fascinating study that might just change the way we view cooking and its impact on our health. Get ready for a mind-boggling connection between home cooking and dementia risk. So, here's the deal. A recent study published in the Journal of Epidemiology and Community Health suggests that preparing home-cooked meals could potentially slash the risk of dementia by a whopping 30% for older adults. And get this, novice cooks with limited skills might even see a 70% lower risk. Now, this is a game changer, especially considering the shift towards relying on restaurants and convenience foods over the past few decades. But for our older population, cooking isn't just about sustenance, it's a physical and cognitive workout. The study, conducted in Japan, followed over 10,000 participants aged 65 and above for 6 years. It revealed some intriguing patterns. For instance, women and experienced cooks tended to prepare more meals at home, while men and those with fewer cooking skills lagged behind. But here's the kicker: the frequency of cooking, regardless of skill level, was associated with a lower dementia risk. Cooking from scratch at least once a week showed a significant reduction in dementia risk for both men and women. And for those novice cooks, it was like a double whammy, with an even greater risk reduction. Now, it's important to note that this study doesn't prove a direct cause-and-effect relationship. There could be other factors at play, and the findings might not apply universally due to cultural differences in cuisine and preparation methods. However, the researchers emphasize the importance of creating an environment that encourages cooking as we age. It's not just about the meal, it's about the cognitive stimulation and the sense of accomplishment that comes with it. So, personally, I think this study highlights the power of simple, everyday activities. Cooking, a task we often take for granted, could potentially be a powerful tool in our fight against dementia. It's a reminder that sometimes, the best medicine is found in our own kitchens. What do you think? Could cooking be the secret ingredient to a healthier, dementia-free life? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Until next time, stay curious, and keep those pots and pans sizzling.